Hey everyone, welcome back to Lana Decor. What if your kitchen could feel both effortlessly clean and full of warmth at the same time? Today we are walking through beautiful ways to style a minimalist farmhouse kitchen that balances open counter space with real vintage charm, because you absolutely do not have to choose between the two. When you remove upper cabinets and replace them with open wooden shelves, something magical happens to a farmhouse kitchen. The space instantly feels larger, more personal, and full of character. Displaying vintage ceramic mugs, ironstone pitchers, and hand-thrown pottery turns everyday storage into a curated gallery that tells the story of your home. Lighting is one of the most underrated decor decisions in a farmhouse kitchen. A single aged iron or woven rattan pendant above the sink acts as a visual anchor for the entire room. It draws the eye upward, adds warmth and texture, and ties together a minimal palette without competing with anything else in the space. Not every piece of decor needs to be purely ornamental. A large, beautifully grained wooden cutting board leaned against your backsplash bridges the gap between function and style effortlessly. It adds organic warmth and a handcrafted quality to your counter without demanding attention. It simply belongs there like it has always been part of the kitchen. Cluttered counters are the enemy of both minimalism and farmhouse charm. The rule of three gives you a simple framework: one small potted herb, one folded linen towel, one ceramic canister. Three intentional objects, each earning its place. The result is a counter that feels curated and calm rather than sparse or sterile. Before you add a single decorative object, your countertop material is already doing the heavy lifting. A stone slab brings quiet elegance, while a butcher block surface delivers warmth, texture, and that unmistakable sense of a well-used, well-loved kitchen. Either choice grounds the entire farmhouse aesthetic naturally, so the rest of the room barely needs to try. Swap out any plastic or generic utensil caddy for a wide antique stoneware crock and watch your counter transform instantly. These crocks carry real history in their glaze and weight, and they hold wooden spoons, whisks, and spatulas with a quiet dignity that no modern container can match. It is the kind of swap that makes a kitchen feel genuinely inherited. Few updates deliver as much visual impact for as little effort as swapping cabinet hardware. Matte black pulls and knobs against cream-painted shaker doors create a contrast that feels both modern and deeply rooted in farmhouse tradition. It sharpens the whole kitchen, giving each cabinet a defined presence without adding clutter or complexity to the space. A slim vintage wooden ladder shelf in a kitchen corner solves the age-old problem of needing more storage without sacrificing floor space or visual calm. Stack folded linen towels on the rungs, tuck a small woven basket on a step, and set a single potted plant on top. It fills a corner with purpose and personality at once. There is no simpler way to bring a farmhouse kitchen to life than a row of small terracotta pots lined along the kitchen windowsill. Fresh herbs like rosemary, thyme, and basil add greenery, fragrance, and a sense of daily abundance. It is decor that grows, changes with the seasons, and reminds you that a kitchen is a living space. If there is one single investment that transforms a kitchen into a farmhouse kitchen, it is the apron-front sink. Its deep basin, generous proportions, and classic exposed front make it the undisputed centerpiece of the room. Everything else in the kitchen can stay simple and restrained because this one element carries the full weight of the aesthetic with ease. thoughtfully chosen ceramic bowl on a kitchen island does two jobs at once. It holds fruit, citrus, or fresh vegetables, keeping them within reach, while also serving as a sculptural focal point that grounds the island visually. Choose one that is handcrafted or vintage-inspired, with an irregular glaze or natural texture, and it will anchor the whole room beautifully. There is an honesty to raw-edge reclaimed wood shelving that no factory-finished board can replicate. Each shelf carries the marks of its original life, with grain patterns and subtle imperfections that make it entirely one of a kind. Mounted against a white shiplap wall and styled with simple ceramics and glass jars, these shelves become the most character-rich surface in the kitchen. A panel of painted beadboard behind the stove is one of the most understated ways to introduce farmhouse texture into a kitchen that might otherwise feel too modern. It does not shout for attention, but it adds depth and a softness to the cooking zone that subway tiles simply cannot offer. It is a subtle choice with a quietly significant impact. A galvanized metal tray is one of the most hardworking tools in farmhouse kitchen styling. Group your coffee press, a ceramic mug, and a small tin of beans onto its surface, and what was once scattered counter clutter becomes a composed, intentional station. The tray defines boundaries, adds an industrial farmhouse material, and keeps your counters looking effortlessly organized every single day. In a farmhouse kitchen, appliance choice is a decor decision just as much as a practical one. Cream or white retro-style appliances blend naturally into a pale cabinet palette, maintaining visual continuity across the whole room. Stainless steel can feel jarring against warm wood and aged ceramics, while a cream refrigerator or range feels like it has always belonged exactly where it stands. A rug in the kitchen might seem like a small detail, but it is one of the most transformative things you can place in a space. A jute, striped cotton, or faded kilim-style runner in front of the sink softens the floor, adds a layer of texture underfoot, and visually ties together the cabinets, counters, and open shelves into one cohesive, warm composition. From swapping upper cabinets for open wooden shelves to placing a single flower stem in a bud vase, every idea we covered today proves that minimalism and farmhouse warmth are better together. Start with just one small change, and let it guide the rest. If you love these ideas, give this video a like, subscribe to Lana Decor, and drop your favorite tip in the comments below.